Hello, I'm Christine Fürst. I'm coming from Germany, from the Martin Luther University Halle-Wittenberg. I'm there a professor for sustainable landscape development and also vice director for research internationalization and transfer. I would be very happy to greet you to a little public lecture that I want to put under the motto sustainable development the time after. We see that with climate change and also with biodiversity change, we face tremendous challenges to realize the sustainable development goals of UN until 2030. And we have already to start to question what will be after, what do we need to conserve, and what kind of new goals will raise up. I will try to bring you in a situation where you rethink if the sustainable development goals that are often conflicting and cannot be all reached together, if we can bring them into a more consistent concept, and what could be the future goals and how do we call them to have a future development after 2030.
Join us on March 10th at 6:30 p.m. at Bangalore International Center for a fascinating public lecture by Christine Fürst on the Sustainable Development Goals. We look forward to seeing all of you there.